So I found a crypto trading bot on Fiverr and my brain immediately thought, yeah boy! So follow me on this journey of testing this stupid trading bot that could lose all my money in a matter of days. This guy promises a 0.2% daily profit with his bot and says I can double my money in a year. And he even wants to help me live my dream. Wow, look at that, he's my friend already and all I have to do is pay him. If only it was always so easy to make new friends. Normally when I go up to people they're just like, yeah, no, thank you, I'm good. So let's buy this thing for the sake of friendship. Now there's one teeny tiny, ever so slightly important question that comes to mind. What the hell did I just buy there? Let's have a look. The bot uses a dollar cost averaging strategy, something we will take a closer look at in just a moment, and allegedly it is backtested over 11 years. That simply means you take a chart of a coin, slap the bot onto it, and then you can see how much profit it would have made. And that is where the seller gets these numbers from. The bot is hosted on freecommerce.io, a website I've never heard before. So let's give it more of my money. I'm gonna be so broke after this. Then I watched the video the Fiverr guy provided, and actually the explanation he gives about the bot and the general strategy is quite solid. There are a couple of things you have to do. Connect your crypto exchange to free commerce. I did go for Binance because I already had an account there, but you could also use FTX or basically any other exchange as well. Create a DCA bot, give it a name. Let's go for Geralt of Rivia. And choose a trading pair, in this case ETH and USDT. Choose a strategy, we're going for long, which means we make money if the price of Ethereum goes up with a base order size of $10. But now to the most important part. The safety order settings. That's basically where the magic of the dollar cost averaging happens. The safety order size is the same as the base order size, so $10. The safety order happens when the price of the coin our bot is trading goes down. So bot buys here, price goes down, bot buys again and so on, and this up to 7 times in our case. The safety order volume scale is used to calculate the amount of the next safety order, and with this bot it's 1.4. Price deviation to open safety orders is the percentage the price of the coin has to go down for our bot to place the first safety order. And finally, the safety order step scale is used to calculate how much the price has to go down again for the bot to put in the next safety order. The take profit settings are based on the daily trading volume of the specific coin you go for. And although this changes every day, because, you know, that is what daily generally means, the seller states that you only have to adjust this every few weeks or so, which means very little work after the bot has started. And to start, of course, we have to give it more of my money to actually trade with. All quite easy. With everything now being set up, I was fairly confident that I had no idea what the hell the bot was actually going to do. I mean, why do we even do this? Why not just buy a coin, hold it and sell it when it's made a profit? Well, if you had $500 that you invest all in the same day, you could buy 5 coins of this hypothetical cryptocurrency for $100 each. But if you take the same $500 to buy just 1 coin per week for the next 5 weeks, it could look like that. You buy the first for $100, the next for 70, then 85, 75, and then the market takes a huge hit and you buy the last one for only 15. So the average price per coin wouldn't be $100, but 69. When the price goes up again, it doesn't have to go back up to $100 per coin for you to make a profit, but only to a bit over $69. Yeah, that basically is dollar cost averaging. It's supposed to help you against volatility in the market. It's way less stupid to do it that way than to actually day trade because you're not trying to predict the market. And unless the coins you bought don't nosedive, perish and kill your investment for good, this can actually work. And now that we're all a bit smarter, let's see what our bot Geralt actually did. And well, I was quick to realize that I started the bot at the worst possible moment. Shortly after it placed the first trade, the price went down. And then it went even lower. And then it went even lower. And there I was regretting my life choices. After placing 3 safety orders, the market flatlined like my will to live for 2 whole weeks. It did nothing. Look at that. And then, finally, after 14 days of agonizing nothingness, the bot made a profit of $3.78. So after the small success, I consulted my brain on what to do next. And what can I say? It just knew exactly what to do. All in, baby! Woo! So I did what every responsible adult in my position would have done. I invested more. Some would call it stupid to give some bot thousands of dollars to gamble with, but who am I to judge? I don't even have 100 subs on YouTube, so I'm clearly not an expert in anything really. I set up 9 new bots with 9 different pairs because that's what the seller recommends, and with each bot trading $250, my potential loss would be $2,500. So yeah, that would hurt. And for those of you who are not that good with numbers, that's a metric a ton of money. Anyway, these are all my pairs, with EOS, NEAR and AVAX being more on the riskier side of things, especially NEAR with a chart that looks shakier than my upload schedule. And after yet another 2 weeks of ups and downs that really fired on my crippling depression, we actually made a profit of $18. The DCA strategy is of course supposed to be used long term, so my numbers here aren't really representative. But if you take this profit of 2 weeks and multiply it by 2 to get a potential profit of 4 weeks, which coincidentally is the equivalent of 1 month, we could have made $36 in a month. Can you still follow me despite the high-level math? And I know this is kind of a dumb calculation because you can't really use past performance to predict future performance, but come on guys, we're testing a trading bot right now, so who cares? Like, do you care? Yes, see? I thought so. As you can see, with the free commerce fee of $49, it isn't such a great deal, so we actually pay to lose money here. But as I said, this DCA bot is supposed to be used over the long run. And if you take the yearly plan on free commerce, it's half of what we paid per month. So potentially, you could actually make a profit. So would I recommend this? No. Like, come on, what did you expect? Trading crypto is already risky enough. Letting some robot do it is risky beyond belief. With 10 or even 20 coins, you're just not diversified enough to make this a worthwhile investment in relation to the risk you're taking, because most altcoins are ultimately tied to the performance of Bitcoin anyway. If you ask me at least. As you can see, this part contains opinion. So I'm ready for you sexy crypto lovers to hate on me in the comments. But let me say, if you gave your bot a lot of money to trade with, you could make some serious profit, but not without including some super risky coins in your portfolio. The seller on Fiverr showed an example of where a coin dropped over 90% and stayed there, and the bot was still making a profit. That's because in an open market, something never drops like this, but always with some peaks in between where the bot can buy and sell. Like, yeah, maybe. But at that point, you probably would have been better off with a more conservative, old-school and boring investing approach all along. And again, you have to take the trading fees of your crypto exchange and the price of free commerce into account. So although this experiment was actually super fun, I'm happy to withdraw my money and live happily ever after. And maybe this wasn't about the money, but about the friends we made along the way. Which, well, we made… Oh, and by the way, the Fiverr seller turned out to be a super nice guy. He seems knowledgeable about the crypto market, and the information he provides in both the video you get on Fiverr and his Discord is quite good and very easy to understand. And to be fair, he says that his bot will not make you rich quick. And I'd say with the affiliate links he provides for the crypto exchanges and free commerce, he makes some good money with his gig on Fiverr. So 5 stars for you, my friend. Although you betrayed me on a dream thing you promised. So 4 stars? The $18 we made was donated to the World Food Programme to fight world hunger, so this little experiment seems to be a win-win for everyone except me. Now that you know that a trading bot is not going to make you rich, maybe you want to learn how to get rich with meme stocks. For that, you should really watch this video next. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you like, consider subscribing, that would really help me out. And bye!